I just want to give you guys an update. But as you can see, this is my case, and we actually got the card to fit in. So yeah, let's turn this thing on. So what we did was we took the fans from inside of this case and we put it on the outside of this case. I'll show you guys that in a bit. And basically we made more space so then this could fit into our case. And yeah, look at that thing. But one thing I did notice though is that this thing is like really hot. So when it heats up, you literally have your own heater. Like it's that hot. So it's great for the winter time if you have a cold room. So yeah, that was just my update. See you guys later. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video for more content. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.